Right, this is a wee video for Adrian Weber. Adrian Weber, I think it's called. I don't know. I don't speak German, but Adrian's been after doing a wee video on this wee master lock. Well, his was an older one with no plastic on the key, but he had said that it was probably the smallest padlock he'd seen with the shackle protector on the guess. So I said I had one that was smaller. There's there. It's a Union. I'll show you the box of it here. Just that in a wee second. There's a box. That there was on that was on the bottom of the box. It fell off her. But, Parks and Sons, Union Works, West Midlands, England. Right, so if we're here, we might as well. There's no security pins on it. Bad picture on it. There's no security pins on it. It's a 4-pinner. I'll show you the key to it. It's a 4-pin. What's going on here? That's a stupid thing. Yeah, it's a 4-pinner. No security pins. We'll give it a wee biceps, so it probably makes it based out of me, but sure. What can you do? I'm having real trouble picking around this stupid old phone too. But anyway, off it go. Spring tension on the core too. There we go. Picked. Another neat wee feature it has is a loads in that key retaining. Keeps popping up here. It's all this. A loads in that key retaining. You can't lock the lock until. See that there? Like, lock won't lock. It won't push there and lock. You have to turn the key again to lock it. That's it. I think it's a 3105. 3105, 1.5 inch, 2K pin tumbler padlock. The smallest shackle protected lock I've ever seen. Union, made in England. Thanks very much. Alright, Ian. Busy buys. See you later. Be good.